Extract column value based on another column in Pandas. I am kind of getting stuck on extracting value of one variable conditioning on another variable. For example, the following data frame. How can I get the value of a when b equals 3? Every time when I extracted the value of a, I got an object, not a string.
You could use lock to get series which satisfying your condition and then elect to get first element.
You can try query, which is less typing.
Try. Assuming df is your pandas.dataframe. Use df b equals 3a, dot value 0, if you just want item itself without the brackets.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.